Hi there, welcome back to another episode of baking. So today we are going to make a vanilla oil-based cake, and I'll begin by measuring my ingredients. So we'll use 1.5 cup of sugar, then 4 cups of flour, all-purpose that is. Done. Then I'll go ahead to break my eggs. So those are 4 eggs. And I'll proceed to whisk the eggs and the sugar. Then go in with my oil. And whisk. Then 1 cup milk. And then whisk. And then 1 cup water. That's it. So I'll set this aside and sieve my dry ingredients. Baking powder. And a pinch of salt. I'll go ahead and sieve. And I'll pour this inside this mixture. And mix until there are no more lumps. I'll add a few drops of vanilla and continue to mix until we don't see any more lumps. And scrape off the sides. So we finish measuring, putting the butter in the tin, and we tap up to release air bubbles. Then we put in the oven. So let's wait for the results after baking. I'll show you the results after baking.